This your robot pencil case. What is this?
Robot.
Pencil case.
Pencil.
What do you call this?
Pencil.
Very good. What is this?
No.
Very good. What is this? Very good. What is this? Very good. What is this? Your clay.
Clay.
This is your
Clay.
very good. What is this? Your
No.
bond paper.
Paper.
What is this?
Paper.
Very good. What about this?
Pencil.
Very good. This one is your sharpener. Your sharpener.
My